Bye rồi.
I'm thankful for my mom and my dad support of raising me.
I don't know that guy.
I want to send my biggest thank you Khoa, Won and Nina for always show up when they need and help me get through a difficult time. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys.
The person that I am grateful for this year is Rin Jung. I'm really grateful that I get to know her this year because she's been helping me out a lot in chemistry class and in other courses. And also when I feel down, she was there for me and listened to what I had to say, and I really appreciate that.
I would like to say thanks to my friend in Moiki and Boom. I really have been fun with you guys this year, and I hope we can last longer than just 1 year.
Bạn mà đầu năm vô thì nó là người chung advice series với mình, nó học chung tất cả các tiết học với mình. Bắt đầu là quen với nó, ban đầu là thấy nó chi thức là quen với nó để cho nó giúp đỡ mình, ai ngờ mình giúp nó. Nó cũng là cái thằng mà trao cho mình những cái lời động viên tích cực như là không sao đâu, mày không làm được cái đó đâu, ok bỏ cuộc đi. Cảm ơn Nguyên đã theo mình suốt 1 năm, trở thành một người bạn thân tốt với mình, cho mà có những cái kỷ niệm vui bên nhau, cho mọi người bớt khốn nạn hơn.
So I would like to thank Julie and Liam because of our project we've done in the computer science class. So we are on Team Rocket. T-E-A-M-R Team Rocket.
So I want to thank you Trixie. She has taught me a lot, and like she teach me a lot of new things that never happened to me, and she listened a lot to my series.
First of all, since I'm in his class right now, I've improved quite a bit over the last year in his class. I'd like to thank Mr. and Dad for helping me out, to thank Ian for introducing me to a whole set of new things, not necessarily safe with the government, but I'd also like to thank whoever is in Jam Club with me, even though we only had a few sessions. They were pretty fun.
I just feel so grateful for this year because I've made so many friends and so many great memories. One recent memory that I can recall is having to debate in World Scholars Cup and having to be teammates with Jack, Liam, and all of my friends. Was a really good opportunity for me to practice my English and bond with my teammates. So I would like to thank all of the people that have helped me.
Especially thanks to John because for being very being my good friend, always follow me and always support me.
To say thank you to Miss Steph because when I first came to the school, I was bad at sport, but when I attended the class, I was improved my skills. And thank you.
I would like to grateful for all of the member in Butterfly Cave and also every individual of Grade 10 for making my years a better years and also a memorable one.
We want to thank you, FBI!
The person I want to thank is Đức because first he's going to leave next year, as I just said, and he's been a great friend and contribute to my group a lot. Sometimes we have those dumb arguments and he would be the one to stand out and say, guys, stop. I just want to say that he's been a great friend so far and we miss him.
Friends and teachers for helping me this year, especially Mr. Frank who helped me to find interest in history and you, Trixie. Tại vì giờ tâm sự với tôi cũng tỏa. Cảm ơn bạn rất sự.
I want to say thanks to Miss Shin, Miss Scott, and Miss Rachel for encouraging me to do something that I've never do before, like reading a book. Find out something more about poem.
GC, Nina, and Pung because they are be my friend for all years.
Miss Dave, she's at the office, like because I sometimes I had bad days, and when she smiles, she always smiles like to everyone and cheerful my day up.
Say thank you to Jenny in Nursery 10.2 because she is the first friend of mine when I first came to the school, and she helped me a lot to make other friends. So I want to say thank you to Nina because she's a best listener in this school and she always shares everything with me.
First, I want to give a thanks to my close friend Smile. He's helped me a lot in both study and relationship. He's a great mentor, and if you guys have any question, you should ask him. I want to thank Yang and Danny. You guys are very hilarious. You saw me at such a great time, even though you distract me from classwork. But I appreciate what you tell me. That's it. Really keep me motivated.
Mình muốn cảm ơn với tất cả mọi người giúp đỡ mình trong 2 năm qua. Cảm ơn các thầy cô, bạn bè đã cùng nhau sát cánh đi lên và giúp một năm nay học tập thật tốt. Chỉ muốn khai thác